kung bakit hindi ka maka-move forward, simple lang. Sobrang sikip ng buhay mo, masyado kang loaded, masyado kang puno, masyadong masyado kang pagod. Puno ka ng stress, puno ka ng overthinking, puno ng takot, puno ng mga taong hindi na dapat kasama sa next level mo. Kaya kahit gusto mong lumipad, hindi ka makalipad. Kasi ang bigat ng bitbit mo. But listen, God cannot fill a life that's already crowded. God cannot bring new blessings to a heart that's clinging to old burdens. Sometimes, ang biggest breakthrough mo nagsisimula sa simpleng steps. Declutter. You need to declutter. Declutter your mind. Tanggalin mo ang mga lies, doubts, and fears. Declutter your heart. Alisin mo ang mga bitterness mo, pain mo, unforgiveness na meron ka. And declutter your circle. Let go of toxic people, draining people. Declutter your habits. Layuan mo ang lahat ng distractions. Kasi the more you remove, the more God can move. Again, the more you remove, the more God can move in your life. Kung gusto mo ng bagong season, maghanda ka. Clean up the space. Clean up your heart. Clean up your life. Declutter because the blessing you prayed for needs room to enter.